Okay, this is the third revision on my tack speedo mount. I just did it out of plexiglass to begin with. First one I did out of cardboard, and I did another one out of plexiglass, but I didn't like the shape of it, so this is the third one. I left this section down here to cover up the handlebar mounts where the risers go. I will put a rubber isolator in here for this tack, just like the stock uses. Probably use a stock one. Got my key switch up here. Oil light, I'm going to put an oil light over here. The neutral, turn signals, neutral, and headlight are all have idiot lights in the gauge here. And the speedometer pickup for this thing is actually just a Hall effect stator down off using magnets off the rotor bolts. But that's about it. That's plexiglass. I got some aluminum to do it. I'm just using a 1/4-inch aluminum to make these with. And of course I'll have to do I'm not hooking it up yet. I'm still waiting on some transmission parts for this thing. But I went ahead and ordered oil light, and that'll just go in here. I'll just drill a hole in there to run the oil light while I'm welding the aluminum one. I'm not doing it in this because this was just a prototype. And I'll probably cut these out where on the edges where the fork, so it doesn't cover up the forks. So if I want to slide the fork tubes up a little bit, I can. I'm probably not going to, but when I do the aluminum one, I'll probably put the cutouts in there, right there and there. And this is 3.475-inch speedo, or just say 3.5 really. I just used a scroll saw to cut it out with, and drill, and then used a belt sander to shape it a little bit up the top here. I'll probably make this a little bit thinner when I do the aluminum. I'll knock that down to probably about half that size. It only needs to be probably a 1/4-inch past the gauge there. But we'll see how it goes. It's looking fairly decent on here, so we'll see. Anyways, just did this morning for about the past 45 minutes or so to whip it out. I like using the plexiglass because it's easy to work with, and it's, I had a couple of sheets laying around here that I'd gotten for something else and didn't end up only needed 6 inches one out of a 3 or 4 12-pack pieces, but it's easy to work with. So anyway, everybody have a good weekend.